AJ Skill Development is a team, and we are having 10 associates available online and supporting our customers, handling the sales, marketing, and services. We are using this CRM. Assume that companies itself having lakhs and lakhs of employers to handle millions and millions of users. What would they need? One Zoho CRM won't be enough. They would need a powerful tool that should enable the business rate higher. There comes your Salesforce. Salesforce is a cloud-based CRM service provider. If somebody comes to ask you, this is actually it's a typical interview question you can come across. What is Salesforce? Salesforce is a company, just like Microsoft and just like Google, just like Facebook. It is also a company. Okay. If I ask you, maybe Samsung, let's take example of Samsung. So what is Samsung? If I ask you what is Samsung, what you will say? What is Samsung? Anyone?
Samsung is a company which makes different type of products like TVs and washing machines. You have mobiles and all. So it is in the electronics and as well as the service providing services also it is there.
Good. That's a very neat and you have well explained it. So Samsung is a company. They will be having a different products, like you said, TV, mobile, home appliances, laptop, lot more products. As a company, they are providing and delivering this much products and services. In the same way, Salesforce also a company. Simple. It is there are a lot of people having a perception and assumption that Salesforce is kind of a language like Java, .NET, and Python. They will used to call it. I'm going to learn Salesforce to get into IT. Okay, fine. Then what is then they will ask like, what is the difference between Java and Salesforce? What is the difference between C++ and Salesforce? Can I learn Salesforce or Python? That's the kind of a comparison people will come up with. Can I learn testing or can I learn Salesforce? Guys, come on. Salesforce is, you cannot compare Salesforce like this. Salesforce is a company, first of all. They are having a different product like this. Sales, service, marketing, commerce, these are clouds. If your company is focusing on sales, they will be provided sales cloud. If your company is focusing on commerce, if you're Amazon, like Amazon, Flipkart, if you're an Amazon, Flipkart kind of company, they'll be giving this service, commerce cloud. Likewise, all the industries can use Salesforce to maintain their customer, maintain their employees. Nowadays, Salesforce is into almost all the business. They have a different product. The same way how we handle Samsung, the same way we have a different product. Again, let's take example of same thing. Assume that Samsung is have a air conditioner here, split AC. Okay, you are buying this AC for your house or your company, whatever. Once you bought the AC, what is the next step you have to do? If you're buying AC for your home, what is the next thing you have to do or the company will do for you?
Installation.
Good. Who will do that installation?
Service support.
Company service providing team.
Some technicians definitely come to visit your house and they will open the box and they will first configure that. It is not what you see here. It is not going to come along with the AC. There is an outdoor unit will come along with the AC, right? There should be an outdoor unit like this. You will definitely have an outdoor unit like this that also come along with the AC. As a technician, this is what exactly they will be doing. They will come, they will take indoor unit, outdoor unit. They will configure that for you. You need to underline the word called configuration here. Suppose, assume that you are in the second floor. In the second floor, you don't have a slab like this. What is the technician has to do? The technician will they will be doing welding to connect this outdoor unit with your indoor unit like this. They have to give a long wire and they have to do the welding to attach this indoor unit and outdoor unit. Not all the AC will come up with this extra welding unit, because maximum it will come with 3 meters. What if you need 10 meters? The same technician, they will weld your copper wire, and they will connect with your outdoor unit. If it is suppose if it is in the different floor, and need to, you have to place the outdoor unit in a different area. So here he is going to do the customization. So here comes the two part. One is configuration. Another one is customization. Configuration, I'm talking about just opening the box and connecting the outdoor unit and indoor unit and switching on the AC. They can simply do the configuration. Suppose according to your house or according to the area where you want to fit your AC, the technician has to work a lot, and they need to bring additional wire from outside, and they have to weld it, and they have put it. There comes, they are going to do the customization. If they want to do customization, you won't there won't be any tools and all available. The AC technician has to bring it from outside, and they have to do this. So these two parts, right, that configuration and customization of the product, it is being done by a technician. Okay, so coming back to here, Samsung is a company. That company is providing one of the product called AC, and you as a user, you bought the AC, and you need someone to configure and customize this for you. This is how their business flow goes. Now comes to Salesforce. Salesforce also a company. They are providing these many products. Suppose, assume that Jio or Airtel, they need they are going to buy Salesforce to maintain their customer data. They are buying Sales Cloud for their company. So as a Jio or Airtel, they don't have idea how to install, how to configure, how to customize Salesforce product for them. Okay, now Salesforce product in the sense, I'm going to buy the Sales Cloud, and Jio bought the Sales Cloud, Airtel bought the Salesforce. Then comes the picture called Salesforce administrators, Salesforce developers, or architects who are going to come as a technician. They are going to, let me help you. They are going to configure and customize the Salesforce for them. So these are the different people called Salesforce administrator, developers, architect, business, marketing careers, and sales career. These are the people who are going to help the companies like Jio, Airtel, MRF, or any companies who are going to buy Salesforce. Okay, they are the one going to configure. They are the one going to customize the sales product or the CRM for their companies. So there comes the two important people in Salesforce. One is Salesforce admin, Salesforce developer. So Salesforce administrators are the one who do just a configuration. They will directly buy the product from the Salesforce. They will help the company to install. They will help to maintain, and they will do configuration. But Salesforce developer are the people who are going to customize that. Customize in the sense, suppose if I need extra additional features, which is not directly available in Salesforce, he will do scripting and coding, and he will do this for the business. Let me open to see how you can find Salesforce here. This is how Salesforce is going to be. I have already opened and showcased you, right? Like how Zogo CRM is going to be there, and how you, in the same way, this is how the Salesforce is going to be there. Let me open any module. Suppose if I'm going to use sales module. So the moment you buy Salesforce, you will have all the modules pre-differently available. No one, you don't need to hire any developer to build this Salesforce for you. It's already being built, and you can start work, configure this for your business. Suppose assume in the home page, I need some calculator for me. Suppose if the company is asking, that is something as an administrator they cannot do. As a developer, they will write a script and they will develop a product and they will bring it up here like this. It is not natively available in Salesforce. A developer has developed it. So this is how the Salesforce is going to be, and this is how you are going to be. You are going to use it as a Salesforce administrator and Salesforce developer. I'm just giving you all a very small input of how, what and all as an administrator, what and all the developer do. One another thing, okay, why I should go for Salesforce? People can ask. There are a lot of things that are available in the world. Like I can use Java, Python, or maybe I can use some other technology or .NET to develop my software. Why I should go for Salesforce? If you visit this website, AJ Skill Development, just to scroll down, okay, here you will have a video called What is Salesforce here? It's nearly a 30 minutes and 1 hour video, both Tamil and English. We have explained in deep dive about Salesforce, CRM, and cloud. When you get chance, please visit this and take a look at that. You will get a deep understanding of how exactly this can be used. And if you scroll down, you can see here one image. If there is a software I have to build as a company, assume that Jio need to build their own software to handle the customer. It will definitely take them 6 to 12 months to build like this. They need to buy a hardware, software. They need to do all this kind of reporting, analysis, security stuff and all. Whereas if it is Salesforce, the same company, they can simply go to Salesforce and they can purchase Salesforce within a matter of 1 hour or maximum within 10 to 15 minutes. Just like how you are purchasing things in online, the same way they can purchase Salesforce. Anybody can purchase Salesforce, provided you have a registered company. Within a minute, you can purchase. The moment you purchase, you can get the screen like this, and you can start load your customer data, and you can start do the work. Why you have to wait for 6 to 12 months to create a software? So that's how the Salesforce is powerful, and that is why most of the companies are now started migrating into Salesforce. Maybe if you visit Salesforce website to know more about the Salesforce and all, requesting you all to go to this website. You can learn more about this company history, how they have been evaluated, and how they are giving a better solutions for their customers and everything. These many people are currently using Salesforce. Almost all the companies are, they started using Salesforce. You can see the list of companies currently using Salesforce here. Many companies, many Indian companies are using. Even government websites are now running on Salesforce. Maybe let me show you one website called. So Orissa state government, they are actually using Salesforce to track down their COVID tracker. If you visit this website, anyone can visit this website and they can see the list of people affected in this area with the COVID and all. It's a dashboard which is built on Salesforce, Salesforce Einstein. It is not just a website, it is a dashboard. You can see the dashboard is being built on the backend data being pulled up from this kind of a tool. This is the tool helps to generate such dashboard, and as output you are seeing this here. Maybe if you want to know whether it is actually built in Salesforce or not, even the Orissa Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik itself tweeted about the same 2 years back. You can see that here. So Deloitte is the company who implemented Salesforce for Orissa to get this dashboard created. It is being tweeted like by Naveen. Likewise, many companies, government, non-profit organizations, they started using Salesforce. That is the reason you are finding a lot of openings on Salesforce. You simply go to Naukri, search for Salesforce. You can see how much job openings are coming up in India, especially as a work from home itself. And if you look at the Salesforce package, that is also huge. On the average, it is just 15 to 25 lakhs. Not in all the IT jobs you are going to get. Of course, IT is the sector where you are getting a good pay. But inside IT, Salesforce is the one now in top of the market. They are ready to offer 15 to 25 on the average. And it can go beyond 75 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 100 lakhs. Rather than this salary and all, what we see as a Salesforce developer, I'm a senior Salesforce developer, I'm having 8 years of experience. We are getting a peace of mind, peaceful life. The reason is morning we log in, we get the requirement, we develop it, evening we deploy, that's it. Saturday, Sunday off. You are going to get the on-site salary in India itself, and you're going to get the good peaceful ecosystem. Suppose if you still have a time, people like me, they can start doing the training too. We can able to manage the training, we are able to manage our household work and manage to manage our office things as well. I mean the development projects and as well, because the ecosystem is really nice to learn as well as nice to develop. The same way you can find a different openings for different individuals. Maybe if you are a complete fresher, you can still find a lot of openings going on, and the packages also ranging from 3 to 6 lakhs on the average. Minimum 3 lakhs, maximum 6 lakhs. Suppose if you are a cross-trained professional, like if you are from mechanical background, civil background, no matter, all that you need to learn Salesforce, you should have a good practice, and anybody can easily get into the Salesforce stuff. Okay. So far I have just given you on the high level idea of just CRM, cloud, and Salesforce and all. But my recommendation is if you want to get deep dive into each and every topic, I want to know more about what is Salesforce. I want to know more about what is CRM. Visit this website. These two videos will help you to get that. And similarly, if you want to get more career guidance on that, right, in the same website, of course, we are going to talk in this session. We have 3 different videos which is available. You can also watch to get more career guidance about Salesforce.